Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a team in Fantasy Premier League. So for that, you need to launch the application first on your device. Make sure that you're logged into the specific account where you want to create a team, and also make sure that the application is up to date. Now, click on Fantasy from the bottom, which is between latest and season. From here, you need to select the Pick Team option from the top. Go ahead and select it. Now you need to enter the team name. Once you do that, select this option right here to accept the terms and conditions. Then click on Select Name option. And from this page, you can go ahead and create a team. So as you tap on these positions, you can manually go ahead and select the position and then scroll down, find the player that you want to choose, click on them, and follow the same steps for all the other different positions. But if you do not want to do that, you can auto pick, click on auto pick option. Wait for a few seconds and your team will be created. Once done, click on Save, or you also have the option to reset. Let's click on the Save button and you'll be done. You have successfully created a team in your Fantasy Premier League. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.